Is it too late to make this video? I hope not. Anyway, hello everyone. I hope you're doing good and I'm sure that you are taking care of yourself, washing hands from time to time, maintaining social distance and taking care of your physical and mental health as well. Since you have clicked this video, I presume that you have already watched the Netflix series called Dark and loved it, just like me. After finishing the series, I joined a group on Facebook called Winden Posting English, something like that. I'll leave the link in the description if you're interested. And I came across few theories which made me do this video. So I have divided this video into three categories. The first category is of unanswered questions on Dark. The second category is the theories that are based upon Dark which we can apply in our real world. And the third and the last theory is a bonus theory, and I hope that after hearing that it does make you happy. So stick around till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive into these theories. The first category is possible theories on Dark series. The first theory is by Harshit Kaushik, and he states that what if Thanatos made a correct time machine and everything which we saw in 3 seasons, the split of 2 timelines and the existence of the alternate universe, all this happened in just a fraction of a second in the origin world time machine up to the very right moment, and maybe Jonas and Martha could have been the reason for the accident, but due to Thanatos' machine, this time it did not kill his son and daughter-in-law and they were saved. The second theory is by Sakawat Hossain, and he states that at the end of the show, Martha and Jonas exist and don't exist. Their existence is quantum entangled because of Adam leading to Jonas to different paths, and thus creating branching timelines which are quantumly entangled. So what if the Adam and Eva's world exist only because Martha and Jonas traveled to the past to save Thanatos' son and his daughter-in-law? Let's move to the second category, which is theories based on Dark. And the first theory is by Mohit Pradhan, and he states that
there's an episode in Dark which starts with a quote. A man can will what he wants, but he cannot will what he wills. Confusing, I know. But that thought made me ask myself a question. It was, do we really have a free will? Or is there someone else, a higher dimension, a higher authority, or God, or anyone else, thinking it for us, making us do the actions which we do in order to complete his own selfish goals? So that is my theory. Do we really have a free will?
The next theory is by myself. So we saw Adam and Eva playing their part, making sure every event happens at the right time. So what if someone out there in our world is playing his or her part, making sure that every event happens at the right time? For instance, let's take COVID-19 outbreak as an example. What if someone may have played a bigger part in creating this global pandemic? Then I believe that apocalypse is inevitable. The third and the last, the bonus theory. In the 7th episode of season 3, you must have come across a term called Schrodinger's cat paradox, which states that a particle or object attains superposition when not being observed and collapses and splits into two when being observed. In simple words, there are 2 or more realities of an object or a particle. So if we apply this theory, then there is an alternate individual of ourself who might be living his or her dream in different reality. So the things that we didn't get to do in this reality, so there is a possibility that our alternate self may have done all those things in that reality. Let's take an example here. You wanted to become an astronaut. In this reality, you never got a chance to become an astronaut, but your other self, your alternate self has already become an astronaut in that reality, or maybe he or she is on the path to become an astronaut. Interesting, right? So you should be happy for yourself. I think that's about it, and if you like any of these theories, do let me know in the comments down below. If this video crosses 50,000 plus views, I will certainly make a second part of this video. So if you have any such crazy theories, do reach out to me on Instagram. I will leave the link in the description and I will feature your theory, giving you full credit. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, and until then please do take care of your mental health and Jai Hind.